So over here, you can see that I have this structure right here. And let's say if I were to go ahead and use my mouse, scroll, like let's say, for example, go around over here, keep my mouse cursor over here and scroll in, then you can see that it zooms onto that area right here. But let's say you want to go ahead and zoom into a specific area. In that case, you can utilize something called a zoom window. So to do that, you can go around over here onto the camera menu, and here you can see that zoom window is an option. Simply go ahead and click right here, and then if I were to click and drag, you can see that a window is made up right here. So once you go let go of it, you can see that that particular section now is zoomed in. You can scroll out around over here as well. So now let's say, for example, I want to zoom in this area with the person right here. Then I can go around over here onto a zoom window again. The shortcut key for it is Ctrl+Shift+W, as you can see right here. And then you can go ahead and draw around, and then it zooms onto that particular area, as you can see right there. And that is how you can go ahead and utilize the zoom window inside of SketchUp. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.